Hey there, welcome back to Tech Matters, and today we're going to explore about self-driving cars.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, guys, so whenever we say self-driving cars, there's a lot of meme coming out regarding its working. People are saying it is bullshit and making fun of Tesla. So today we are going to see in depth of the making methodology of self-driving cars and analyze whether those memes are worth enough to make fun. So basic question is, what is self-driving cars? Self-driving car is not a kind of magic cars or something. It is just the cars we use on a daily basis, along with a lot of extra sensors and computing softwares. So before getting deep into it, there are two types of cars that I want to say. One is an autonomous and two is an automatic car. I'll give an example. Let's take the engineering college in India. We see autonomous colleges, government colleges, deemed private, etc. So autonomous colleges do and perform all the engineering rules and syllabus same, but they conduct and evaluate exam on their own way without depending on the government. So exactly this applies to the autonomous car, that they can take this driving decision on their own, and apparently self-driving car is an autonomous car, right? But whereas the automatic cars are those vehicles that rely on specific condition, it depends on the driver's point of view. But for autonomous or self-driving cars, there is no point of driver's point of view. It's all about his at its own decision. So we have said that self-driving cars take decision on their own. So the only problem is to take decision like humans or even more than that. Because countries like India, where human itself failed to make decision, how can we expect a machine to do it? So that's the only question. But yeah, at present there is nothing impossible for a machine with artificial intelligence support. So let's believe. Let us talk about the sensors and built-in parts of self-driving cars. So self-driving cars change the 2D vision of a camera to 3D and act accordingly in terms of to react a problem. We need to import data by deep learning and machine learning. Okay. So if we talk about the most important parts, that is a sensor, Tesla has used two important sensors. One is a radar and two is a lidar. Let's talk a bit about sensors like radar and lidar, how they work and why they are important for a self-driving cars. So first thing is radar. Radar means radio detection and ranging. This means it can detect object and figure out at what range or distance they are from the car. They work on electromagnetic waves which is not visible in human eye, but they can translate those waves as signals and the computer program can act accordingly. Okay. So I'll give you an example. If there's a bus near 10 meters far away from the car, radar detects and goes slow. It means the car will either go slow accordingly or it will stop. So those things are done by the radar part. There's another important sensor for a self-driving car, that is a lidar, and lidar is also same and work exactly like a radar with electromagnetic waves only, but in a higher frequency. So lidar means light detection and ranging. Okay, light, that is radio and that is light. It detects the light from the object and measure the distance between. And lidar is so powerful, it's used consistently to measure long distances like distance from moon to earth also. So lidar is fixed at the top of the car and gives and given a 36 I mean 360-degree accessible point. So that is it can have a clear view all around. The only drawback in lidar is lidar fails to work properly in rainy and foggy days. Since lidar it works on light, that's the only drawback, and that's where the use of radar comes in. So this is all about sensors. Now we gonna see about the computer program and softwares that make all these things work together, and yeah. So there are a lot of computer program setups made. One is a sensor fusion, which fuse all the sensors together and work, because we have seen radar, lidar and so much of things. So computer fusion is a computer program software that fuse all the sensor and tells the car what to do. Okay, so that's the use of computer fusion, I mean sensor fusion. So the second thing is the self-driving car has its own database, where by using machine learning we will import all possible situations that the car would come through in tough times. Okay, like the possible ways for accidents and how it should react, all those things. So that things are done by machine learning and deep learning. But and that is a huge ocean, because machine learning and deep learning cannot be said in this video, because that is a different topic itself. So one interesting fact about self-driving car is, like Tesla says that, like let's take an example. There's a cyclist, he's just riding his cycle in a different way, maybe near from the self-driving car. And so Tesla says that self-driving car would also get the behavior of that person, that cyclist, and act accordingly, and which is quite unbelievable, because that is something beyond the scope, but Tesla says it, let's believe. So important terms, one important term is a freezing robot problem. So that is whenever there's a hectic decision to make, the car freezes out, and that's a huge drawback regarding the self-driving car. And Tesla and all other companies are working really hard to get rid out of this problem, because this problem needs to be addressed and this should be cured. Okay, only then people would have believe self-driving cars and they would take. So yeah, this is all about self-driving cars, how self-driving car work and its anatomy part. And personally, I think self-driving car are next level for humankind as well as the machine kind, and they are interesting and they are appreciable if it comes to the market in a, like, where a common if a common guy can able to afford and get use of it. And I believe in Tesla, I believe in Elon Musk, and yeah, let's wait and watch. And thank you guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel, because we'll be posting all about technological stuff.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever